You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to delete your Safari history when your iPhone has screen time restrictions enabled. First, you need to know the screen time passcode set by the parent or administrator. Open the Settings app and tap Screen Time. Scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter the screen time passcode. When prompted inside this menu, find the section labeled Privacy and tap on it. Look for the setting called Allow Changes next to Clear Browsing Data. This option may be locked. You need to toggle it to allow changes, which should turn green. Once this is enabled, you can exit settings. Now open your Safari browser. Tap the book icon at the bottom to open your bookmarks and history. Select the clock icon for your history. Here you will see the clear option at the bottom right. Tap clear and then choose the time frame you wish to delete, such as all history. Confirm by tapping clear history. Your Safari history has now been deleted to Raylock. The setting, go back to screen time and toggle the allow changes setting back to off. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.